This is my vision board. It is a form of a law of attraction that what you attract is what you get. Way back 2016, I was inspired by Brother Sanchez' talk, The Grand Feast on the Power of the Mind. This is what I have learned. That people who vividly describe or picture their goals are most likely to succeed because they are strengthened by their beliefs and mindset. So here's my suggestions on what to include in your vision board. You can have your family, your goals in your family, to have a happy family, a healthy family. Second is for your education, to graduate in high school or in college or postgraduate courses. Third is finances, to be free from debt. You can have your savings as well. Fourth is you can have your material things that you wish to acquire. House, car, money. Travel. You want to travel abroad or in any places. And the last one is your personal goals. What are your personal goals? For yourself, for other people, and to God. Your next step is to find pictures of your goals. You can search pictures from the internet and print it out. I made a twist in my vision picture. I edited my head and replaced the head of the person in the middle, affirming myself that I am the person in the picture. So this is now the finished vision board, my vision board. As you can see here, this one, I edited my picture because I want to graduate from my doctorate degree, and I place my head here, the head of this man. This one is more for my family. I want to have a car. I am debt-free. This one. Whatever I have posted and placed here in my vision board are also placed in my notebook of dreams, where I have written all my goals in life vividly, where, when, how all of these things will be acquired. In my class, I have required my students to work with their dream book or their vision board, wherein they are going to write their dreams vividly with pictures of their dreams. Well, at the end of the day, it will always depend on our faith and determination to succeed in life. Always remember that true devotion to your goals will always be rewarded in the cradle of time. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.